You know, these days it seems like everyone is talking about cutting the cord, or apps, or streaming TV. And if all that sounds like a foreign language to you, don't worry, you're not alone. I'm Matt with EPB, and we've got you covered with a little Streaming TV 101 in this edition of EPB Tech Pro Tips. Streaming TV, what is it? What equipment do you need to do it? How can you find what you want to watch? Can it really save you money? We're going to learn all this and more today because I'm here with EPB Tech Pro Chantee, who's ready to answer all our streaming questions. Chantee, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So right off the bat, let's get to it. What exactly is streaming TV?
Okay, well, going back to traditional TV, it's delivered via an analog signal or a digital signal to a set-top box. Now with streaming TV, it's delivered directly via the internet, so there's no set-top box to rent. In fact, you may already be streaming today if you're watching your shows from an app like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime.
Awesome. So streaming is really just online. So tell me, why is streaming so popular?
That's right. So more and more people are cutting the cord and doing streaming. The big reason is the content. More and more, some of the best shows are coming out directly on the top streaming platforms. And there's the option there for you to be able to pick and choose what you want to watch based on your interests. And with so many streaming apps out there now, there really is something for everyone. And my favorite thing, you don't have to be tethered to your TV set. You can watch streaming shows from almost anywhere, almost any device. And the big plus, you can save money. So there's no long-term contracts with streaming. You can start and stop your app subscriptions at any time. So there really is a lot of money to save, especially if you're willing to be a little flexible.
All right, let's talk about people who haven't made the switch to streaming TV yet. One of the things they like about traditional TV is how familiar it is. You know, they know the channel numbers, the guide. A lot of people have memorized it by heart. So how does somebody who wants to cut the cord find content, what they want to watch?
Well, the great thing about streaming is you can really select what you watch on your own schedule. You're not tied to the network schedule anymore. So chances are any program that you're used to watching, that you're already watching, is also available on one of the streaming platforms. A great place to start is epb.com/mybundle. It's a free service that we offer that matches you with the perfect streaming bundle. It can even tell you your monthly cost.
All right, so that brings me to my next question. Let's talk about cutting the cord and saving money. How much are we talking about here? Because I think that's going to be the deciding factor for a lot of people, right?
Right, it definitely is. So it really does depend on what you're currently subscribed to and what you're actually switching to. So we talk to customers all the time who are saving anywhere from a few dollars a month to over $100. Wow. So if you're currently subscribed to something like the premium package, the Fi TV Gold, and you're willing to make that switch, there really is significant savings to be had.
That's amazing. So let's talk about making the switch and what equipment do I need? If I'm going to cut the cord, what do I need to buy? Do I have to get a new TV?
Not necessarily. Many of the new smart TVs come equipped already with streaming capabilities. There are devices that can plug into your existing TV. Some of the more popular ones are Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, the Apple TV, or Google Chromecast. They're all super easy to install. You can do it yourself. Or you can go to our YouTube channel where we do have step-by-step instructions if you need help getting set up.
Thanks so much for all that great information. Who knew streaming TV could be so easy?
You're very welcome.
If you think you might be ready to cut the cord or just want to explore a little more for yourself, remember the best place to start is epb.com/mybundle, where you can mix and match traditional TV plans and streaming services based on what you like to watch and find out how much you could save every month. Our mission is to help you find what you want to watch at the best possible value, whether that's with EPB Fi TV, streaming services, or a combination of both. So if you have any questions about streaming your local news or anything else, we're happy to help. You can chat, text, or call anytime 24/7. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on EPB Tech Pro Tips.